Idea Monkey 3000. Written and illustrated by Trev. That's me. This monkey has thousands of ideas. 3,000 to be exact. He wants to implement all of his ideas before it's too late. But how? There are 3,000 ideas flying with him everywhere he goes. Like light bulbs, they are. He must organize these ideas like an assembly line. Then he must prioritize and execute, all while being a highly unfocused and rambunctious monkey. First, he starts waking up earlier. There are only 24 hours in a day, and this monkey needs a head start. Vroom. Then he has to cut out his sugar cravings. There is no way the monkey can execute on his ideas if he's always sugar crashing. Lastly, he has to get the hard ideas done first. Motivation is highest at the beginning. The monkey uses a checklist to prioritize his most difficult work. Step by step, the monkey begins to check off completed items from his list. Idea 1, done. Idea 2, done. Idea 3, done. Like a weight lifting off his shoulders, the monkey begins to relax more. Om, om, om. Sooner than expected, the monkey completes his 3,000th idea. Across the world, the monkey is known as the one who made an impact with his ideas. All it took was a little action. And now the monkey can rest peacefully until the next idea comes. The end. Trev.